Ever tried to enlarge a photo and ended up with this? You're not alone. Most tools blur, stretch, or guess on pixels, and your photos suffer. But with ON1 Resize AI, you can turn that pixelated mess into this. Real details, real results. Most resizing tools don't actually add detail. They just make the pixels bigger. That's why your photos can end up looking blurry, soft, or even a little fake when you try to enlarge them. But with ON1 Resize AI, you can make your photo larger and keep it sharp and full of detail. ON1 Resize AI uses advanced AI technology to actually rebuild detail as you upscale. It's trained on everything: faces, textures, edges. That means natural sharpness, not artificial smudging. No weird artifacts, just clean, realistic enlargement. Whether you're cropping into a wildlife shot or preparing a massive print, Resize AI keeps your images looking incredible. Don't just take our word for it. Real users are seeing incredible results with Resize AI. As one customer put it, jaw-dropping. I literally can't believe the results. Whether it's restoring an old face or preparing a massive gallery print, Resize AI consistently delivers details where it matters most. ON1 Resize AI is built on powerful AI models designed for the best possible quality. It's smart enough to recognize faces, textures, and edges, so your enlargements stay sharp and detailed. You can batch resize entire folders of images quickly, recover faces with incredible accuracy, and prep prints using tiling and gallery wrap tools. Use it as a standalone app or as a plugin inside your favorite software. Your photos deserve to be seen in their best light. Big, bold, and beautiful. Get ON1 Resize AI today and see the difference.